Hi, my name is Sarah McKenzie, and today we're going to be tying the Clouser Deep Minnow. To create this fly today, you're going to need some Ultra Thread 140 in the color white, size 4 hooks, and these are saltwater, a pair of sharp scissors, some small dumbbell eyes, some fish scale flash, fly head cement, super glue, a whip finisher, and today I'm going to use 4 colors of bucktail. You can choose to do a 2-color Clouser or whatever you choose, but we're going to use blue, pink, white, and chartreuse. Let's get started. The first step that we're going to take is secure the hook into the vise. Then we're going to put a thread base down. In order to do this, you're going to wrap towards the back of the hook. Then we're going to snip off the tag. Now we're going to wrap towards the eye of the hook and place the dumbbell eye on top of the hook. We will use a crisscross pattern to secure the dumbbell in place. We'll do a circle pattern under the dumbbell to build up a nice base so the eyes don't move. We'll do a crisscross again until we feel the dumbbell is securely in place. Once you feel the dumbbell is totally secure, put a bead of super glue on the thread. Now I'm going to wrap the thread back so I can start putting on the bucktail. I am going to start with white, but you can choose whatever color you like. The length of the bucktail is approximately 2 shank lengths. Place the bucktail on top of the hook and follow the contour of the top of the dumbbell. Leave some bucktail up front. Wrap the bucktail behind the dumbbell eye until you feel it secure, and also wrap it in front of the dumbbell eye. We snip the extra bucktail at an upward angle so that the hair is thicker towards the eye. If you have a rotary vise, flip the fly upside down. If you don't have a rotary vise, take the fly out of the vise and turn it upside down and then clamp it back into place. Next, we'll add our second color, in my case, chartreuse. I tied this and the rest of the colors only in front of the dumbbell eye. We'll snip again in an upwards angle towards the belly. Do the same steps for the remaining colors. If you're happy with all of your colors, the next step is to add some fish scale flash. This is optional. Take the flash and attach it to one side. Give it a couple good wraps, then fold it over to the other side. And give it a couple more wraps. Now we're going to finish the fly by covering any visible color in front of the eye with our white thread. Once you are done, take your whip finisher and tie the fly off. Now we snip the tag and then we apply some head cement. Our last step is to trim off the excess fish scale. You want the fish scale to be about as long as the bucktail. And now you have a completed fly. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.